I'm sorry. Hi guys. What is up, my beautiful babes? Today I'm going to be showing you how to do fake freckles and fake bangs. I was thinking, what would I look like with fake freckles? I think I would look good. So I'm like, why don't I just try it? So I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that. Also fake bangs. So I'm really excited. I'm going to be using products that I have at home and going to be giving you recommendations and stuff like that. If you haven't yet seen my face before, subscribe. I post on Sundays and turn on the post notification. Without further ado, let's jump into the video. Alright, let's get started. So I'm going to show you what stuff I'm using as we go along. So the first thing I'm using is Revlon Nearly Naked, and I'm going to basically kind of like bake my face a little bit. So my Real Technique brush into this. I'm just kind of like baking my face in the place I'm going to put the freckles. So I'm baking my nose and then my cheek area and then going a little bit up here. The reason this is a little bit lighter than my skin tone is because the freckles are going to darken my skin a little bit, so I just want it to be, I don't know, whatever. I don't know. Okay, that's that. So, okay, the first method to make Faux Freckles is, it's not my favorite method, but I think it's a way that almost everyone can. You want to take, I'm taking an eyebrow color, so I'm going to be taking this one, this color. I'm going to be taking this color. This is from my Profusion Brow Kit, but you can take a base color from an eyeshadow palette, but it has to be around your skin tone, a little bit darker and not too dark. What you do is you want to stick your brush in some water, and then you want to dip it in the formula, but don't get too much. And then we're actually going to start putting it on. Basically, I'm going to like a little bit hard circles, but you want to get it as tiny as possible. It doesn't look good, but don't worry, we'll make it look better. Put it on the bridge of your nose, and then across your nose, and then not too low on the cheek, but kind of like right on the cheek. I don't know. You can put it wherever you want, wherever you think freckles look nice. First step of making it blend in is just kind of take your finger and go over it. It'll make it disappear a little bit. But we also want it to stay all day, so bake it and then put some eyeshadow base primer, or you can put your concealer. Disappearing, which is what I want. I want it to like blend in as of like, oh, I want to cover my freckles, but I still want them to be lightly covered. Just kind of like experimenting, so get it until you think it looks great. Alright, we are back with the fake freckles. How do they look? I think they look pretty good. Reaction time. Hello.
No.
Notice anything different?
You put freckles on yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do they look real though?
Actually, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yes. That worked. So he said they actually look real, so that's a plus. So guys, try this out. Okay, on to fake bangs. In order to make fake bangs work, you're going to need bobby pins. So these are my best friends, you guys. So what you want to do is you want to take, usually I like to make my bangs longer on the sides and short in the front. So we're going to pin that, and I try to pin it underneath the rest of my hair. So there's one bang, and we're gonna do it the same to the other side. Let's switch to the mirror. Alright, so I'm gonna take the top hairs up here, and what you're gonna do is you want to make them super duper even. So you want to, I'm going to take a bobby pin and like put it across the spot where I want it, just so I remember. And then we're going to take another bobby pin, and then you want to make it as natural as possible on top. So I'm making a little bit of a bump. I'm just pinning the rest of the hair back like that. Okay, not done. this is the final look. I'm really proud of it, guys. Oh my gosh. It looks so good. How do you think I did? Rate me 1 out of 10 on my freckles and bangs together. Oh, I really want to see how you guys think it looked out. So I think I got a 9 out of 10 on this look. And then you can also like split it. That looks really nice too. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Really appreciate it. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post on Sundays, so I hope to see you all in my next video. Turn on post notifications. In my next video, love you guys. Bye!